Hey you all, welcome friends in my channel Innovation World. Today in this video I'm going to tell you that how to set your YouTube channel banner. You know that YouTube channel banners always makes your YouTube channel very attractive to your subscribers or to your audience. So it's mandatory to use a channel banner for increasing your for grow your channel. So friends, YouTube also tell that you should have own your channel banners. So without making this video lengthy, let's get started.
So friends, now I am in screen recording mode and I'm going to show you that how to set your YouTube channel banner. So friends, at first you should have verified your channel, otherwise you can't give your YouTube channel banner. If still you did not verify your channel, so comment in this video's comment section that you did not verify, and I will make a video about that how to verify your channel. But now I'm going, and if you verified your channel, so see, otherwise here here stop the video. So I'm going to access Google Chrome. I have to open it. So after opening, you have to search youtube.com. So my internet connection is quite slow, so that's why it's taking time, and it's coming. So friends, now in this moment you have to upload it. You have to click on upload. You have to click on upload. After clicking upload, this interface will come. You have to go on your browser future. After going browse, you could see recently I had made this. I am clicking here. After clicking, these types of interface coming, you have to viewable it on TV. You could see it viewable on TV. You have to click here, and thereafter these type of interface you can see. Thereafter you have to click on done. You have to click on done. Done. Actually my internet is not working, and after that I have to click on this publish, and after clicking this publish, these new features will take a short time to be published in social media. Changes published. Go to channel, they are requesting you. So now I am to going my YouTube channel, and you could see my YouTube channel's banner had changed. So in this way, friends, you can change your you can change your YouTube banner, and really it will help you in the future to grow your channel. So bye bye friends.